So in this video we'll see how to apply materials. So before that we'll add shade smooth, and as you can see the model is changed. So go to object data properties, open normals and switch on the auto smooth option. So now go to shading viewport, select the object and assign a new material. You can give a name for that in material properties. So we'll add a texture. First we'll add a diffuse map. Import the image and connect it to base color, and as you can see you cannot see any texture, it is looking like flat color. So because of UVs, so it is not unwrapped. So select all the polygon and unwrap it. For now we'll use smart UV projection. Enable the node wrangler add-on, and you can use directly the shortcut Ctrl T for mapping and texture coordinate. I'll duplicate the same image texture node. Second, I'll select the metallic map and connect it to metal. And you need to connect the same mapping node to image. And also change this sRGB to non-color because it has only white and black details. Now again I'll choose the roughness map and connect it to roughness. And you need to connect this vector to vector, and roughness map also you need to change sRGB to non-color. So I'll duplicate one more time and I'll choose normal map this time, and I'll need to add normal map node and connect color to color. Change this sRGB to linear and connect this normal map to normal. We need to assign a new material for this. Instead of importing a new image and creating new, I'll add a new material, select the previous one, and I'll duplicate the same material and I'll change the name. And I'll delete this diffuse map, select the face and click on assign that material. So it will be applied. So like this you can apply two materials for the one object. So like this we need to apply materials for all these objects. So I'll select these objects and select the last one, which is material, and link the materials. Ctrl L is the shortcut to link materials and unwrap it. So as you can see it is assigned only one material. So select the face which you want to assign the metallic texture. And select the metal texture, and you need to be in edit mode and click on assign. You can add multiple materials like this. We'll change the render settings to EV, and in world properties we'll choose an environment texture and connect it to background, and we'll choose environment HDRI texture. As you can see it is connected, and we'll go switch to render and we'll check. As you can see a different bounce is there. So we'll switch on the transparent in film, so that if you require any PNG render, you can use this option. Okay, we'll add a loop cut because I require an emission light here. So I need a 4 loop cuts here, so I'll be adding 4. So after this, I'll select the face. You can directly assign the emission shader to this, or if you want more depth, you can extrude inside. So I'll select the faces, go to metal properties, add new, and I'll give name for this as light. I'll change the emission color and assign it, and I also change the strength of emission. You can also change the color. So as you can see, there is no effect here. So go to render settings and switch on bloom, and go to render and check. You can increase the intensity of the bloom like this. So assign the same emission shader to all these objects.